everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in continuation to our skincare regime, today we are going to talk about sheet masks. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, at the end of this video, I'm going to share three quick tips with you just say you can make most of these sheet masks. So please ये वीडियो end तक देखें and अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है चैनल तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लें. The first which we have is this pomegranate का face shop का sheet mask. This is a packaging of 20 grams of solution including the mask weight, and you can get this on Nykaa for 100 rupees. अब बात करते हैं इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज की. So pomegranate, we know that it is an excellent source of vitamin C, flavonoids and other good nutrients, which helps your skin to combat age lines, wrinkles, blemishes, breakouts and inflammation. This also prevents your skin from sagging and wrinkles. So in case you need that kind of hydration in your skin, this is the one for you. Next, another one is lemon sheet mask by Face Shop. Again, this is so Face Shop के सारे sheet mask जो हैं वो mostly 20 grams के packaging में ही आते हैं, which cost around 100. Nykaa पे हमेशा सेल चल रही होती है, buy 5 get 2 free और buy 5 get 5 free इस टाइप से. So I would prefer कि आप लोग sheet mask उसी टाइम पे लें. So yeah, that's kind of 50% of lemon. So ये sheet mask जो है ये basically skin brightening के लिए है. As we all know that lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, which collectively help in brightening the dull skin and gives you a radiant look. You can totally go for this one if that's the case for you. Next है हमारा guys avocado. So avocado जैसे कि हम सबको पता है कि एवोकाडो एक सुपर फूड है. इसे लगाओ, खाओ, इसका स्मूदी बना के पियो. इट इज गुड फॉर अस इन एवरी वे. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द शीट मास्क इन पर्टिकुलर, दिस वन हाइड्रेट्स स्किन, nourishes our skin. This is super good for dry skin. It also has several essential antioxidants and vitamins which hydrates, nourishes and help your skin glow. So yeah, this one is surely gonna work if you're looking for that extra glow. You know what I mean, right? Next one is honey. So we know that honey has been used since ages for skincare because honey is full of antioxidants. It prevents our skin from wrinkles. It also has antibacterial properties which helps in acne treatment and prevention. It also clarifies your skin by opening up pores, unclogging pores and gives you glowing skin. So this helps with the dry skin, flaky skin. So yeah, if you are someone like me who gets dry skin or the flaky skin, like on and off, God knows for what reason, आपके लिए ये बिल्कुल suitable है. और अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं भी है तो honey is something which we have seen our grannies using in face mask. और हम कहीं ना कहीं सुन ही लेते हैं, अच्छा ये फेस मास्क है, इसमें शहद डाल दो, स्किन के लिए और अच्छा हो जाएगा. सो या मैंने आपको इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज बता दिया है कि ये किस तरीके से आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल है. सो इन केस यू नीड दैट काइंड ऑफ हाइड्रेशन फॉर योर स्किन, दिस इज द वन फॉर यू. अनदर वन इज लोटस by Face Shop, of course. अभी हम Face Shop की ही बात कर रहे हैं. So Lotus का sheet mask है. So this one has oil balancing, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Hence this specially prevents an acne. This infuses skin with moisture and hydrates it. So this specially prevents acne. This infuses skin with moisture and hydrates it. So I guess this is like for all skin types. Guys, another one which we have here is tea tree face mask. So this one particularly refreshes and soothes skin. Of course, it has tea tree oil, so it is anti-inflammatory and it has antimicrobial properties. It helps in reducing acne scars, which of course leaves you with smooth skin. Next one in the line is rice ka ye sheet mask. Let's talk about its properties now. This is something which is used a lot in Korean skincare. We all know that rice extracts helps in brightening and softens the skin. In case you are looking particularly one which should help in brightening the skin, so I think lemon and this rice one is your sure shot to go. The next key ingredient from Korean skincare line is red ginseng, guys, or this is also known as Panax ginseng. So this is a Korean herbal remedy. So it has antioxidants, it prevents aging and maintains the skin elasticity. So now you know हमने इतने सारे फेस शॉप के जो शीट मास्क देखे हैं, पर इलास्टिसिटी उसमें से किसी में भी नहीं आया, राइट? That is something which surely prevents wrinkle, sagging of skin. So this product is something which I guess we all should try. मेरा ये personal favorite है. The next one which we have is Tony Moly का ये sheet mask. So you get 21 grams of product for 100 rupees again. Guys, I've never used this one. Yeah, but we can surely talk about the product which is right here. Tomatoes have lycopene in it, which is antioxidant. So tomatoes help reduce open pores and blackheads, and also helps to combat acne. It makes skin look smooth and radiant. What I would suggest is, अगर ये नहीं भी है, I just wanted to try this Tony Moly, whatever that is, इसका sheet mask. So I got this one. But ऐसा नहीं है, अगर आपको टमाटर का ही फेस मास्क यूज करना है, I would suggest कि आप you just cut a tomato into half, spread some honey on it and just rub it all over your skin and neck, of course. Leave it for 10-15 minutes and wash it off. I'm sure it's gonna give you as good result as this one. So after talking about all the face shop and Tony Moly's, let's see what I have today here. Garnier में हमारे पास है this Sakura White. It is Japanese Sakura with hyaluronic acid. Guys, we all know how much hyaluronic acid is important for our skin because it helps in hydrating. Hyaluronic acid is something which helps retaining our skin's elasticity, and it also enhances the growth of collagen in our skin. Enough about hyaluronic acid. Let's talk about Sakura. Guys, Sakura is rich in essential fatty acids. It repairs the skin's natural barriers to promote smooth, supple skin. Sakura deals with the complexion. This mask claims to leave your skin pinkish and with improved complexion. Another one which we have is grapeseed. So this one has grapeseed and hyaluronic acid, and this also helps with dull skin and lack of firmness in your skin. This is super hydrating serum, at least that is what it says. Talking about the grapeseed properties, guys, grapeseed contains a longevity molecule which slows the effects of aging. After using this, your skin should looks firmer, plumped, radiant and glowing. I have a last one. Let's see what it is. It is vitamin C shot. Guys, so in this one we have this mask separate here and we have the serum here. And the way you can use this is by, folding it from this side and folding it from this side. So the serum will go automatically into the mask here and mask get infused of all this serum, and then you can apply like any other mask. This is kind of, you freshly mix it and use it kind of thing. So let's talk about its property. Now guys, मतलब मैं क्या ही बोलूँ इसमें. This is vitamin C shot. We all know how vitamin C is important for our skin. हम इतने सारे vitamin C serums लेते हैं, रात में सोने के पहले लगाते हैं. So I believe कि जैसे वो helpful होता होगा, this is going to work the same way for us. Let's talk about the properties. We all know how much beneficial is vitamin C for our skin. Vitamin C clears our skin, improves the complexion, makes it acne free and glowing. मतलब एक तो बेस्ट बात ये है ना विटामिन सी की, इससे हमें एक्नेज नहीं होते. मतलब एक्ने नहीं हो, सैगिंग बच जाए स्किन की, स्किन का कॉम्प्लेक्शन इम्प्रूव हो जाए, और क्या ही चाहिए, हाइड्रेटेड रहे स्किन. अब बारी आती है टिप्स की गाइज. सो वो 3 टिप्स मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ विच रियली हेल्प्स अस टू मेक बेस्ट आउट ऑफ दिस शीट मास्क. सो नंबर 1, try to use these sheet mask once a week, like on a regular basis. 7 दिन में एक बार कैसे भी लगा लीजिए. इनकेस आपके पास शीट मास्क नहीं है, यहाँ पे आइडिया ये है that you are taking care of your skin. You are giving that hydration which your skin requires. So even if you are not using any of these sheet mask, that's okay. आप बेसन में दही एंड विटामिन ई ऑयल डाल के उसका अच्छा सा पेस्ट बना के, थोड़ा सा टर्मरिक डाल के, you can just mix it and apply on your face and remove it after 15-20 minutes. Of course, do not forget to add honey. That is my personal favorite, guys. So yeah, या तो वो mask लगाएं, that is also okay. And you can use any of these, or in case you have your favorite one, you can use that as well. ठीक है? तो yeah, हफ्ते में एक बार लगाना है. Number 2, guys, never forget to massage this serum on your neck. आप शीट मास्क लगाते हैं, आप शीट मास्क एक्चुअली जब आप किसी भी मास्क को जैसे आप निकालेंगे ना इसमें से, it's literally drenched in it. उसमें से बूंदे ही निकल रही होती हैं. Do not waste that, guys. I would prefer कि मैं उसको पाउच में ही रहने दूं, and when I use the mask, I use that one to apply on my hands, my neck. So this is very important कि आप इसको वेस्ट ना करें. मैंने YouTube पे कई सारे लोगों को देखा है, वो बस ऐसे निकालते हैं, लगाते हैं, and then they let go of the excess. So now फेस शॉप की बात ये गाइस कि इसमें सिर्फ 20 grams of product आता है, तो इसमें इतना serum होता ही नहीं है. Whereas if we talk about the Garnier one, it gives you 32 grams of product. So actually एक बार यूज करने के बाद शीट मास्क आपका एक बार का सीरम बच जाता है. जी हाँ, उसको फेंक नहीं देना है आपने. What you can do is you can simply roll this the leftover serum like this and place it into your fridge somewhere, और आप चाहे तो आप किसी बॉटल में स्टोर करके रख लें उसको, and yeah, you can use it the next time. In fact, that brings me to the third point. If you have these serum and access, guys, use this काइंड ऑफ कॉटन बॉल्स। सो आपको ये कॉटन बॉल्स कहीं भी बहुत इजीली मिल जाएंगे। मैंने ये बिग बास्केट से लिए था, आई गेस 1+1 फ्री पे। So yeah, what you can do is you can simply take the serum onto those cotton balls and rub it over your entire face and neck. Also, guys, my third point is कि इससे आप रब करेंगे, दैट इज वन थिंग, बचे हुए सीरम को। द सेकेंड थिंग इज कि आप 1 वीक तक वेट ना कीजिए। Do not wait for 7 days to reapply this serum. If you feel like, if your skin needs it, you can easily go ahead and, use this Access stored serum with these cotton balls. And just wait for 15-20 minutes. And I get rid of the mask like say for 20 minutes. पहली बात तो मैं इसको कम से कम 25 मिनट तक फेस पे रखती हूँ. And then when I get rid of it, I massage my face very well. If you stayed this far, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.